2022 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 31,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, backup camera, power driver seat, Bluetooth, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.